Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn practice set 4.1 of the chapter 4 geometric constructions. Okay, so as you can see in front of you, you have a question given where it's given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. In triangle ABC, AB is 5.5, BC is 6 cm and CA is 4.5 cm. Construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN such that BC upon MN is 5.4. So as you can see here, we have to construct both the triangles. Okay, but the information of only ABC is given, AB, BC and CA. So we can construct triangle ABC, that's not a problem. But we have been also asked to construct the triangle element whose information is not given to us, but something else is given. What is given? BC upon MN is equal to 5 upon 4 is given. So what we are going to do is, we are going to start finding out the sides of a triangle element first. Okay, so for that we need to do some writing work, we need to solve something, and then we are going to get our answers. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So for that, let us start. So here, first thing that I do is what is given to me. See, triangle ABC can be constructed, that is not a problem. So we have to do element. So we will first write down what is given to us. So we'll write down triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. We'll first write down that triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. Okay. After doing this, we will also say that this is given. Okay. Then, since these both triangles are similar, we know that when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides become proportional. So AB upon LM is going to be equal to BC upon MN is going to be equal to AC upon LN. Yes, this is CSST. After this, we are going to substitute the values, children, of whatever we know. So let us substitute the values. We know AB, it is given as 5.5, BC is given as 6, and CA is given as 4.5. Okay, so we are going to substitute those values. So I will write down 5.5 upon LM is equal to 6 upon MN is equal to 4.5 upon LN. Okay, after doing this, we are supposed to find now we have substituted the values here, right? Now in the next step, what we are going to do, now these, if you see what is given here, BC upon MN is 5.4. see, BC upon MN is what? It is 5 upon 4, means this ratio is equal to 5 upon 4, and therefore we will say that all the ratios are also going to be equal to 5 upon 4. So all these are equal to 5 upon 4, and therefore we are going to solve this, and we are going to get the values of LM, MN and LN. So how are we going to do that? We are going to take this and this to get LM, we are going to take this and this to get MN, and we are going to take this and this fraction to get LN. Okay, so one by one we are going to solve. So firstly, I am going to take 5.5 upon LM is equal to 5 upon 4, and therefore 6 upon MN is equal to 5 upon 4, and lastly I'll write down 4 upon 5 upon LN is equal to 5 upon 4. Now we're going to cross multiply. So we'll cross multiply to get the answer. So 5.5 into 4 is equal to 5 into LN. So 5.5 into 4 upon 5 is going to give me LM. So if I solve this, 5 and 5.5 are going to get cancelled. Yes, so this will be 5 ones and this will be 1.1, right? So 1.1 into 4 is going to be 4.4. So 4.4 is equal to LM. So LM is 4.4. Now we'll take the next one. 6 into 4 cross multiplication is equal to 5 into MN. Now MN I am supposed to find out. So 6 into 4 upon 5 is equal to MN. So 6 4s is 24 upon 5 is equal to MN. So when we divide 5 by 24, what are we going to get? We are going to get mn is equal to 4.8. Yes, see, all these are going to be centimeters. Similarly, this lastly we are going to cross multiply this. So when we are going to cross multiply that, 4.5 into 4 is equal to 5 into ln. So 4.5 into 4 upon 5 is equal to ln. So when we solve this, what will we get? 5 nines is 45. So this will be 5 ones are 5 and 5 nines are 45. So this will be 3.6 is equal to ln, and therefore we'll say ln is equal to 3.6 centimeter. So as you can see, we have got all the three sides of triangle LMN. I hope you have understood. How have we found out? What we did, children, we first wrote the proportional sides, and then we substitute the values, and then we also said that BC upon MN. See, BC upon MN is what? 5 upon 4. So BC upon MN we wrote 5 upon 4, and to get each and every value we just cross multiplied. Okay, now we are supposed to find out the draw the triangle here. So how are we going to do that now? So we have got the sides, we have got the sides of ABC, and we have got the sides of LMN also. So firstly we'll draw triangle ABC. So ABC is given to us 5.5, BC is 6, and CS 4.5. So I'll take the any one side. Suppose if I take AB, if I take AB as 5.5. Okay, so I place this thing here. From 0, I am going to draw 5.5. Okay, this is 5.5. Immediately you will name it as A, B, 5.5 centimeter. So AB has been used. We have used this. Now we'll go to BC. BC is 6 centimeter. So on the ruler, we are going to take 6 centimeter. We're going to take 6 centimeter, and we are going to draw the arc. Now BC is 6 centimeter, children. So if C is not there, B is there. I'm going to place it on B and draw an arc like this. Okay, so this is going to be my BC, which is 6 centimeter. So we have finished using this also. Now we are going to use the CA, which is 4.5. So this is the ruler. This is 4.5. Okay, we are going to take this measurement, and we are going to draw an arc. So when we are going to draw an arc from this, we are going to get this kind of a figure, right? So when we join these arcs, we get a triangle ABC. Okay, so this is our triangle ABC. CA is 4.5 centimeter. BC is 6 centimeter. So we have just finished drawing one triangle. Similarly, we are going to draw the another triangle also. So for that we have these measurements LM, MN, and LN. So LM is 4.4. So you keep a ruler here. You draw a base of 4.4. 4.4 like this. Okay. This is L, M, 4.4. Then we are supposed to draw MN. Okay, so for MN, what we are going to do? So for MN, we are going to again take the measurement of 4.8 centimeters. 4.8 centimeters. Okay, MN is 4.8 centimeters. So MN is going to be 4.8 centimeter. And ln is 3.6. So we are going to take 3.6 here. So this is 3.6, which we are going to take, and we are going to draw the arc. So we'll place it here, and we are going to draw the arc like this. So we have got two triangles. As you can see, they look similar also. They are not exactly equal, but yes, they look similar if you see. Okay, so we are going to name them and write their measurements. So this is L, M, N. Okay, so LN is 3.6, and MN is 4.8. So this is 4.8 centimeter. So these are the two triangles that we have drawn. After this, we are moving towards the second figure. Let us have a look at it. Now, in the second question, we are supposed to draw two triangles PQ. See what is given: construct triangle PQR and LTR. PQR is similar to LTR. In triangle PQR, PQ is 4.2, QR is 5.4, and R is 4.8. Now, again here, the measurements of only triangle PQR is given, and no information regarding LTR is mentioned. Okay, but you're not going to do it in the similar manner that you did in the first sum. Why? Because when you have sums like this, now when you have some vertex common to both R and R, okay, in such sums you have a different method to draw the triangles. Okay, they're having a common vertex, so those triangles are going to be attached to each other. So therefore, how are we going to solve this kind of sums? So for that, we have a totally different method to do. So in that, what we consider is, we consider any of the side as base first. But see here, R is a common vertex, right? R is a common vertex, so we probably try to take that side as the base which has R in it. So I'll either take QR or I'll take PR as the base, whatever I find it comfortable. Okay, so I repeat once again, when you have two triangles with a common vertex, we follow a different method to make the constructions. Okay, and what that method is, in that method what we do, we are first going to draw this triangle, okay, which is got, but here we have to decide the base, PQ, QR or PR. So for that, we probably take the base of that segment which is having the common vertex in it. So either I'll take QR or either I'll take PR, whichever you find is okay. Okay, so if I take PR, what happens, I am going to draw this like this. So I am going to keep this ruler here, and I suppose if I am taking PR as the base, so I am taking PR as the base here. So PR is 4.8, so I am going to draw this PR as 4.8. So this is 4.8. Okay, so this is 4.8, that is P and R, which is 4.8 centimeter. Okay, so we'll just stick that whatever we have used. After that, we are supposed to draw QR and PQ, so we'll draw that also. So QR and PQ. So for that, what you are going to do, we are going to keep a ruler and we are going to take, what is PQ? PQ is 4.2, so we are going to measure 4.2 by keeping here. So 4.2 is going to be like this. So 4.2, I'm going to keep it here, and PQ is going to be 4.2. Similarly, I have QR. So QR is going to be 5.4. So I'm going to place this here, 5.4. So this will be here and 5.4. So if I'm keeping this here, I'll get this vertex of 5.4. After this, I'm going to draw the triangle. So this is your triangle PQR. Okay, we are going to name it. I'm going to name it as, say, this is 4.2 centimeter, and this is going to be QR, which is 5.4 centimeter. Okay, so after drawing this triangle, so one triangle has been done. Now we have to draw the other triangle. But as of now, what we are going to do, we are going to extend. We are going to do some other method here. What are we going to do here? See, we are going to, whatever was a common vertex, now R was a common vertex, so from R now I am going to draw a line like this in whatever manner I want. Okay, it's not necessary that you need a perfect degree or anything. You can draw a ray like this in whatever way you want. From where? From the common vertex. Okay, now from the common vertex I have drawn a ray, and now I am going to draw the arcs. Now how many arcs I am going to draw? See children, you have to look for the fraction here. Okay, and whichever fraction you find, in this fraction, whichever is a bigger number, that many arcs you are going to draw. So in this figure, you have 3 and 4, right? 3 and 4 as a fraction. So we are going to draw 4 arcs here. We are going to draw 4 arcs. So let us see how are we going to draw. So we are going to place this compass on R and we are going to draw 4 arcs. So if whatever measurement you want, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so these are the 4 arcs which I have made. Okay, and then I'm going to name them as R1, R2, R3 and R4. Okay, this was R, so I'm naming them as R1, R2, R3 and R4. Now I'm going to look at this PR. Now P, you look at the fraction and this is a triangle given. So this triangle has which part in it? PQ is there. Okay, PQ is having how many parts? 3 parts, right? So what we are going to do is, from this point P, we are going to draw a line to the third arc from here, R1, R2 and R3. So from this here we are going to join this. Okay, still our work is not done. We have just joined this. We still have to go ahead. Okay, now what are we going to do? We are going to draw a line parallel to this and we are going to draw a line parallel to this. Okay, so what are we going to do now? We are going to extend this. We are going to extend this further. Okay, this we are going to extend further and then we are going to draw a line parallel to this here. Okay, so let us draw a line parallel to this. So first thing that you do, how do? You place this here and you take whatever measurement you want on the compass and you draw an arc. Draw an arc here of whatever measurement you want. Okay, with the same measurement you place it here and draw an arc. Okay, so I have drawn 2 arcs of the same measurement. Okay, after that this and this are the points where they are intersecting, right? So place this here, take this measurement. Okay, this measurement, see this, place this here and pencil on this arc and pencil will be on this arc here. Okay, so here you are going to draw an arc so that you can take the exact measurement. Okay, now this same measurement, you're not supposed to change it. You're going to place it here and draw an arc. Okay, so in this way what we are going to get from this point and from this point of intersection of arcs, we are going to get a line parallel to this. Okay, so we got a line parallel to this. This was P. Okay, we'll see that later. Now same thing we have to do here also. Okay, now we have to draw an arc for this also. So how are we going to do that here now? So for that again I am going to, same thing I'll do the way I did it here. I am going to draw an arc like this. Okay, same way I'll draw an arc here, same way. Okay, fine. After that same, place it here and place it here. Okay, दोनों triangles के side पे, यहाँ पे जहाँ पे arc is intersecting and here. Same thing here and draw an arc here. Now because of this what will you get? You are going to get this. Okay, so this is going to be your line which is parallel to this side. Now what you are going to do is, you are further going to draw another triangle. So for another triangle I have to draw triangle LTR. Yes, so LT. So LT, how am I going to draw? So for that children I need L, right? So you can extend this further. This is already there. You can extend this further and you will get this as triangle LTR. Okay, I hope it is very clear to you. So this is triangle L, this is R, right? So here PR is corresponding to which side? It is corresponding to side LR. Okay, so L, then here you will have T, and here it will be R. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. There is no confusion. Now in the next question, you're supposed to again construct both the triangles, but again if you see here, we don't have a common vertex RST and XYZ. They're totally two different triangles. So this sum is similar to the first sum. This is the third sum. This sum is similar to the first sum where we had no vertex common, right? So here triangle RST is similar to XYZ, and if you see the measurements of one triangle is given, RST is given and ST is given. Construct triangle RST and XYZ and such that RS upon XY is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay, so we are supposed to draw the triangle. So we can easily draw one triangle since its measurement are given, but we don't have any details about triangle XYZ. So in such case, how are we going to draw this? So for that, what are we going to do? So let us have a look now. So firstly, what will I do? I will write down triangle RST is similar to triangle XYZ. Okay, now since these triangles are equal, I'll write down the sides, proportional sides. Yes, so it will be RS upon XY is equal to ST upon YZ is equal to RT upon XZ. CSST. Okay, after doing this, I am going to substitute the values of whatever values I know. Okay, so after writing this, we can also say that RS upon XY is 3 upon 5, right? So this entire, this RS upon XY is equal to ST upon YZ is equal to RT upon XZ is equal to, we can say, 3 upon 5. Now we will substitute the values. RS is 4.5 upon XY is equal to ST is 5.7 upon YZ. RT we don't know, and XZ also we'll see later is equal to 3 upon 5. Now if I take this and this fraction, I'll get the value of XY, right? So I will write down 4.5 upon XY is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay. Similarly, I'll take this and this fraction. 5.7 upon YZ is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay. Now we're going to cross multiply. So 4.5 into 5 is equal to 3 into XY. So 4.5 into 5 upon 3 is equal to XY. Similarly here, so 4.5 upon 3, how will you solve this? 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3, remainder will be 1. So 3 5s are 15. This will be 1.5. So 1.5 into 5 is going to be 7.5 is equal to XY. So your XY is going to be 7.5 centimeter. Okay. So we've got this XY. Here we're going to cross multiply. So 5.7 into 5 is equal to 3 into YZ. So 5.7 into 5 upon 3 we can do is equal to YZ. So with this we can cancel. We can get 3 ones are 3. This remainder will be 2. 3 9s are 27. So this will be 1.9 into 5, and 1.9 into 5 will give you 9.5 is equal to YZ. So YZ is going to be 9.5 centimeter. Okay. So we have got two measurements. Okay. Also, since the triangles are similar, we can also say that angle RST is going to be equal to angle XYZ. Angle RST is going to be equal to angle XYZ, and that is going to be equal to 40 degrees, and the reason is going to be CAST. So now Like we have measurements of this, we also have measurements for triangle XYZ. We have these three things. We have XY, we have YZ, and we have angle RST. Okay, so let us see how are we going to draw now. So for this, we are first going to draw the triangle which is given to us already. So 4.51. So this we will draw RS as 4.5 as a base. So I draw it 4.5 here. This is 4.5. Angle R, yes, 4.5 centimeter. Then RST is 40 degrees. So I have this protractor, and what is the middle one angle vertex? It is S. So we are going to place this protractor on S. See to it that the lines are properly coinciding, and then we are going to take 40 degrees. Now many students make mistake here. They draw 40 degrees here or here. They get confused most of the times. So how to do this? So it's very simple. You have placed it on S. Your segment is on this side. Start counting 0 from this side. Okay, so I'll start counting 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is going to be 40 degrees, angle RST. Okay, so this is going to be angle RST of 40 degrees. So I'm going to draw one ray. Okay, whenever we draw an angle, we draw a ray, right? So we are going to draw a ray like this. Okay, but still we have not got a triangle. We have utilized this, we have utilized this. Now we are left with this ST, which is 5.7. So let us draw RST, which is 5.7. So I'll take a ruler. 5.7. Okay, after taking 5.7, now where are you going to place it? What is this? ST is 5.7. So I can either place on S or T, but here there is no T given, but we have S, right? So I'll place on S and I'll draw 5.7 centimeter. Okay, so when I do this, I get something like this. Okay, so this is RST. So this is 40 degrees. ST, we are going to write down ST. We have constructed it's 5.7 centimeter. So we have already finished one triangle. Now we are going to draw the another triangle. So for drawing the another triangle, we have 1, 2 and 3. So similarly, we are going to take any one thing as a base. So if I take, suppose, 7.5 as a base. Okay, I take 7.5 as a base. I am taking it little down because the triangle might be bigger. So this is 7.5 here. So this is going to be 7.5. Okay, I will draw X, Y, 7.5 centimeter. Okay, then what is given? What else? YZ is 9.5. So YZ is 9.5. We'll see that later, but first we'll draw an angle of 40 degrees. Where is it? On angle Y. So I'm going to place this protractor on the vertex Y. Okay, and I'll see whether it is properly coinciding or not. So I place this here. Now check where does your segment lie. So the segment lies on this side, right? So we'll start counting 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40. So this is where I'll get my 40 degrees. I'm going to draw a ray from here. And draw a ray from here like this. And then we are going to draw a 9.5 arc here. So this is 40 degrees. This was 7.5. Now we are going to draw an arc of 9.5. So this is going to be 9.5 here. We're going to take this measurement and draw an arc. Okay. So when we draw an arc of 9.5, it may go a little bit higher. I'm just sorry. .5. Okay, so this is going to be from angle YZ, right? We can draw this from Y or from Z. So I'll place it on Y and I'll draw an arc here, and I'm going to get this angle as XZ. Okay, so this is what I'm getting, XY Z. This is 9.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is our question number 3, which we have finished. Now in the next one of the fourth sum, we don't have to draw two separate triangles, because if you see, we have common vertex A here, right? So here, how are we going to draw? We are going to draw triangles which may be besides either the having a common vertex. So even here the same thing like the previous sum, measurement of one triangle is given and the proportional sides are given. So we are going to start with drawing the triangle which is given to us. Now AM and AT, there are two segments given to us. We have to choose which one to take as a base. Now I have told you that we usually take the base of those segments which is in having the common vertex in it, like AMT and AH is there, so A is common to both, right? So A I'm going to take in both the places. So if A is common vertex, I'll take that segment which is having A in it. So AM and AT both are having A in it. So you can take whichever you want. Okay, you can take any of them as the common segment, right? So either you take AH or either you take AT. Okay, suppose if I take AH, I'll see AH or AT. So AM, if I take, how much is AM? It will be, AM is, so AM is 6.3. So I'll first draw base 6.3. So this is my base 6.3. Okay. Then I will draw an angle TAM. As you can see, angle TAM is 50 degrees. So I'm going to place this here at A and 50 degrees. So the segment is on this side. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay. So I'm going to draw an angle here. So we have this 5.6 as the other side which we are going to measure now. So this is 5.6 which I am taking, as you can see here. So this is 5.6. So AT is 5.6. So I'll draw this here and I'm going to draw a line like this. Okay. So this is going to be, this is going to be a triangle ATM. Okay. And then since A is a common vertex, we are going to draw a line like this and we are going to draw arcs. Now out of 7 and 5, which is the greater number? 7. So we are going to draw 7 arcs here from this point. So how are we going to start? We are going to start from here. We are going to draw 7 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, after this you have to join. Now which triangle is this? This triangle is AMT. Now AM is having how many parts? 7. Okay, so we are going to join this with the 7th part. Okay, after this we are going to draw a line parallel to this. Now here I'll draw arc like this. Now I'll place this somewhere. Where will I place this? Now this is AH is 5, right? So I'm going to place this on 5th arc, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So I'm going to place this here and I'm going to draw an arc like this. Okay, you have to name this as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6 and A7. Okay, now A5 I have done this. Now you're going to take this measurement. Okay, so I've drawn this arc here. Now you're going to take this measurement here, same these both, see here this much, and then you're going to place this here. You're going to place this here and you're going to draw an arc. Okay, after doing this, what you will do, from the 5th arc and this point of intersection, okay, we're going to draw a line which is parallel. So this will be a parallel line to this, and from here also we are going to do the same thing. We are going to place this here. We can draw an arc here. Same thing you will be doing here. Place this here, draw an arc here. Then measure this distance and put it here Okay, after getting this from here and from here, okay, so this is going to be your, see, this is your AMT. So AM से कौन correspond कर रहा है? AM is corresponding to AH, so this is going to be AH and this is going to be E. So this is how you get your triangle AHE. Okay, thank you very much.